Hello. Today I am going to guide you through our process to request a blue address sign for your home. If you are beginning on our blue address sign page, here is what you will see. This link will take you to the Online Permit Center. If you do not have an existing account, you will want to create one here. If you have an existing account, you can log in. Please be aware this sign-in is not the same as the permit application portal. Once logged into the Online Permit Center, you will select My Portal. Click on the Apply Online button. Select Address Sign Request from the drop-down menu, then select the radial button for Request for New Blue Address Sign and hit Next at the bottom of the screen. Begin to fill in your address information and select from the autofill list generated. If your address does not populate, you can use your parcel number to identify your property. If you are unsure of your parcel number, you can perform a search in our parcel search application. You will now enter a project page for your request. In this step, you will name your project, purpose of project, blue sign address. Answer the question about your permit. As a reminder, we will only process these requests if you have been assigned an address on your parcel. If you are ready, you can confirm your acknowledgement and save. Your application is complete. You can click on the blue button to submit your application.